friends, I am so excited today. Let's see what's inside my backpack. Are you ready? First, we have a book. Books are full of amazing stories and fun facts. Do you like to read? Next is my pencil. I use it to draw pictures and write my name. Do you like to draw? Here's my notebook. I write all my ideas and notes in here. It's where I keep my secrets too. And here's my eraser. It helps me fix any mistakes I make when I'm drawing or writing. Look, my sharpener. It keeps my pencil nice and sharp so I can keep drawing and writing. And this is my scale. I use it to draw straight lines and measure things. It's so handy. Yum! Here's my snack. A tasty apple. Apples are crunchy and super healthy. What's your favorite snack? Here's my lunchbox. It's packed with yummy food to keep me energized all day. I can't wait for lunchtime. And here's my water bottle. Drinking water helps me stay strong and play all day. And here's my napkin. It helps me clean after I finish eating. Always good to have one. Oh, and look, my favorite toy car. I like to play with this during break time. Vroom vroom. So, that's everything in my backpack. What do you have in yours? I love learning and playing with you every day. Let's keep exploring and having fun. See you next time. Bye bye. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Sameza Kids.